Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. You guys can see my hair is hella dry. I've literally been trying to put in products. My hair's not taking in products. My curls aren't popping. Like, my hair is just not looking how it should. So whenever this is the case, then I like to use my Indian clay mask because it basically strips all the products out of my hair and makes room for more products to go in, which is so important if you're low porosity. Alright, so to make this clay mask mixture, I use apple cider vinegar. As you guys can see, I don't have much left, but it's plenty for this process. Then I use the Indian clay mask, and then I also use water. And so the clay mask is what I like to put in first. Definitely very easy to get overboard with it. But I usually just try to put a little bit and then add in like 1 part water, like 1 part ACV, and then just pretty much keep going from there. I'm not really a person that measures out whenever I do stuff like this, and even cooking, I just kind of eyeball it. But really what I'm looking for is for the consistency to be where I want it to be. So right now it's very obvious there's just way too much liquid in there, but I am going to go ahead and mix it up even more and then slowly add in a little bit more clay, and you guys will see eventually the type of texture and consistency that you want your clay mask to be at. Now, some people like to add in oils such as coconut oil into their clay mask mixture. That is something I used to do in the past, but I don't do it anymore. It's totally up to you if you feel like you want to add in some oil. I know some people add it in because just these 3 ingredients alone can make their hair feel really dry and stripped in a not good way. So some people like to add in oil, but since my hair's moisture level overall has gotten so much better over the past few years of being natural, I found that this product honestly does not make my hair feel stripped or dry when I'm done using it. Alright, so this is how you want your clay mask to look. This is the type of texture and consistency that you want it to be at. I'm not sure why I'm stirring it so fast, but anyways, this is how you want it to look. So I think in my mind, however you get there, it's up to you. I think just make sure that you have those key ingredients in your mixture. So I personally like to do this process in the shower just because it can get messy. Just make sure that you have a really good drain. If you have one of those tiny drains in your shower, this product may clog up your drain. Sometimes when I rinse my hair out after putting it in, I like to use the sink just because it has a larger drain, so you don't have to worry about anything getting clogged up. But this drain is pretty big, so I think I'll be good in the shower, which is honestly my preferred method. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair as you're seeing, and that's just gonna make it a lot easier for me to work the Indian clay mask through my hair with my strands all nice and wet. And I am using warm water because that's just honestly my always preferred water temp for my hair. It just instantly makes my hair soft and makes it a lot easier for me to just manipulate it any which way I need to. I don't always keep my hair in sections, but since I'm doing this process, sections are going to be my best friend just to make sure I apply the product to every single part of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into sections and then proceed to put in the clay mask. So I'm just about done applying the clay mask to all of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and scrub my scalp with a little bit of the clay mask. I know there's some people who say don't use it on your scalp, some people say do use it. My scalp was just hella itchy, so I just wanted to apply that clay mask, and since it has some apple cider vinegar in there, I knew it would do some good things for my scalp. So went ahead and applied it, and since there was a little bit left, I like to go ahead and apply that to my skin because this mixture also makes a really, really good face mask. Alright, so now I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and let it sit, and then I'm going to proceed to rinse it out. So as I'm rinsing out this product, honestly, my hair just feels so much better. It feels softer. It feels like I can actually apply products and that it would actually penetrate my hair. And my hair just looks a lot richer and darker in general. I feel like my curls are just popping a lot more, and I can just tell it's gonna make a huge difference when I go to put in my products. Alright guys, and this is how my hair is looking after I rinse out that clay mask. My curls are definitely popping, and I feel like my hair has been reset and that I can actually get some moisture into my hair. I am going to follow this process up with using a deep conditioner and then styling products as well. That is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if clay mask mixture is something you like to do, comment below and say what you like to put in it and how it works for you.